This video is designed to show you how to add clients to your account. So you've gone through the account setup wizard. Now it's time to add your clients, the heart of your business. There are a couple different ways to do this. You can click create a client here. You can also click the quick action button and select client, or you can navigate to the clients tab, click on the actions button and select add client. Whichever path you take, they will all lead you here, our client creation wizard. Populate the name, phone, time zone. This is especially important if the time zone of your student differs from the one you reside in to ensure that your calendars will sync appropriately. Select the default appointment duration or set a custom one and populate the email address you have on file. Once you've completed these steps, click Create. Don't worry, it won't send any notifications to your client. This simply gets them added into the system. You've added your first client. Awesome. Read this information, and if you need to make changes, click the green pencil icon. As your clients are added, you can begin to set up their billing and appointments. We'll cover these basics in separate videos. Now, we understand some of you may have a lot of clients to add. If you would like assistance with importing a list, contact us using the help button in the lower right corner of your screen, and we will let you know what we need. Thanks for watching this video. The next suggested step is to set up your billing.